Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Lenonje Beauty. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I braided cornrows on natural hair using the outward method, call it overhand. This technique gives you sleek, flat and very neat cornrows with beautiful scalp definition. So grab your comb and let's get started. This is my rat tail comb. This is gel. And these are my extensions. I'm going to use them at the end of the cornrows just to add on length and volume. So I will start by creating a base for cornrows at the back. And this is the hair I'm sectioning. Yes, at the nape. Gel helps us remove the unwanted hair while parting. If you still have issues in sectioning and parting like my friend here, I believe this video will be of great help. As I create the base for my cornrows, I will use the underhand method. As you can see, I've splitted my hair into 3 strands and I'm using the underhand technique so that the braids blends very well with the cornrows. In braiding, it's very important to learn all techniques of braiding because at a certain point, one technique will help you to solve a problem. In my braiding videos, I'll be showing you the characteristics, the differences between inward and outward techniques, and a clear step-by-step guide you can follow. We are done with our base. You can see it's flat and neat. Let's get started with the cornrow part of it. We start by sectioning the hair. Use neat, clean partings based on the desired design, as you can see. Apply the gel. The gel helps us to remove unwanted hair and makes our parting very, very clean. And then clip away surrounding hair. So I will slick the hair very well because I want my cornrows slicked, flat and very, very neat. The definition of outward cornrows are braids created close to the scalp using an overhand motion where the strands cross over each other, giving a flat, sleek appearance. Take a small triangular or square base of hair at the start of the row, split it into 3 equal strands, begin the outward technique. Cross the right strand over the middle and cross the left strand over the middle. This creates the outer or upper hand motion. Keep your fingers flat for grip. Avoid lifting the braid too high. Keep it light to the scalp. Repeat. Add hair, crossover, add hair, crossover. Maintain equal tension to keep it smooth. Remember, we are braiding our natural hair without any extension added. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please press the subscribe button, like this video, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Some of the characteristics of cornrows done using the outward, overhand, or upper hand method. Number 1. Overhand braiding motion. The braids are formed using an outward or upper hand technique where the strands are crossed over each other instead of under. Number 2. Flat and smoother appearance. Outward cornrows tend to look flatter and smoother on the scalp compared to inward cornrows, which appear more raised. Number 3 is continuous braid along the scalp. Each row forms a single braid that travels neatly along the scalp from the start to the end. So this is where I'm adding my extensions from, just to add on the length and volume. I think we can see the difference. I started with braiding cornrows using my client's natural hair. Then at the end I braided a little bit and then started adding in extension. These extensions blends very well with her natural hair. You can't tell the difference between her hair and the extensions. Let me know in the comment section if you'd want to know the type of extension I used. Again, take a small triangular or square base of the hair at the start of the row, split it into 3 equal strands, begin to braid. Cross the right strand over the middle, then cross the left hand over the middle. This creates the outward or upper hand motion. Characteristics of outward upper hand method or technique of cornrows. Number 4. Clearly defined partings. Clean, straight, or curved partings outline each row, giving the style sharp definition. And number 5 is visible scalp between rows. The outward technique exposes the scalp more clearly, making the design more visible. It is suitable for natural or relaxed hair. The method works well on all hair types, especially textured hair, which helps the bride grip firmly. The advantages of this technique: it gives a neat, smooth, sleek finish, perfect for clients who want a polished look. Number 2, it exposes scalp patterns clearly. Designs, curves, and geometric shapes stand out more. It's perfect for small or detailed cornrows, ideal for stitch lines, thin cornrows, and artistic patterns. And it's more comfortable for tender-headed clients because the grip can be gentler. And here is our final video, looking very demure, cutie, and mindful. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go on and subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.